Hello everybody, it's Galbi. Today I'm going to make Doenjang which is Korean bean paste stew. If you ever been to Korean barbecue restaurant, this soup often served at the end with the rice after all the barbecues. And it is one of my favorite stew that I eat once a week at least. It is really good and tasty. And most importantly, it's very simple and easy to cook. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to chop all the vegetables. So I'm going to use 1/8 of onions, not so much. Then cut the onions into cubes. $40 of carrots, slice them thinly. Then cut them in half. Cut them into quarters. 40 of zucchini, same thing. You slice them. Cut them into halves and into quarters. And then keep them aside. Also, we need green onions, so I'm going to use just half of it. I'm going to slice green onions diagonally. And then keep them aside. I'm using hot green pepper today. You can use jalapeno as well. But if you don't want to add spiciness into your stew, just forget about this. Slice them thinly. And enoki mushroom, I'm gonna cut them in half. If you don't have enoki mushroom, feel free to use other mushrooms. I guess I'm done with chopping. Oh wait, I forgot about tofu. I just need 1/4 of the tofu. So I just need 1/4. Slice the tofu into cubes. Doesn't have to be too small. Just like this big. Alright, now we're actually done with chopping, so I'm gonna put the cutting boards away. And then we are going to make sauce. So I've got 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then I'm adding 1/2 tablespoon of gochugaru, which is Korean red pepper flakes. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Doenjang, which is bean paste. So it looks like this if you see inside. It smells a little bit stinky, but it tastes good. So 1 and 2. This bean paste is similar to Japanese miso, but it has more, bean chunks. So mix them. Alright, and then I'm going to put 된장 onto a pot. And then I'm going to add 3 kelp. These are the kind of seaweed we often use this to make soup base. So I'm gonna put it into a pot, and 5 anchovies. Add cold water about 300 milliliters. That should be enough. And then bring it up to boil over medium-high heat. Once the water starts to boil, take out all the kelps. Using your chopstick or tongue, use whatever works the best for you. You can take out the anchovies at the same time, but I love to eat anchovies. I'm just gonna leave it into soup. If you don't like it, just take it out. Bring it down to medium-low heat and put all the vegetables, carrots and onions and zucchini and mushrooms, hot pepper. I'm not going to put the green onions yet because they just take a second to cook. I'm going to put the tofu, then bring it up to a boil. Oh, they look great already. Actually, you can put some meat or seafood if you like to have additional flavor to it. But I like to keep it simple without any meat or seafood. When soup is boiling, you add green onions at last. At this point, you don't have to stir the soup, just let it boil. About 5 more minutes, then I think they're good to go. And just check if the vegetables are cooked. Oh boy, they look just great. Let me just taste it. It's a bit salty today, so you can reduce the amount of the 된장. Maybe put 1.5 tablespoon only. I think we are done. Then let's taste it. Ooh, look at this. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Today I made 된장찌개, which is Korean bean paste stew with all different kind of vegetables. Feel free to reduce or add more amount of the vegetables. To show me you enjoyed this video, please press the thumb button down below, make some comment, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!